Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first tie the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now divide the hairs, make the plaits and fix them on the alternative sides like this and make the clutches like this and it's ready. Next you have to tie the ponytail, roll it upward and fix this bun pin on the right side of the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top, roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next you have to make the ponytail like this. Now fix this hair clip. Now roll the hairs and fix it inside the hair clips like this. Now tie the hairs together on the top and tie it and then roll it down like this using the hair clips and your hairstyle will be ready. Next you have to make a ponytail and fix this hairs like this from the between. Tie it upward and fix it inside the hair clutch like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to put the clip on the hairs. Now, divide the hairs into 3 parts. Roll them upward and fix it inside the hair clips like this. Now, after that, you have to tie the hairs on the top together. Roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now, roll it upward and fix it in the half using a rubber band. Roll it down and tie it from the bottom. Fix it inside the hair clutch like this and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video. Now roll it upward and fix this bun pin. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using this bun pin and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail as shown in the video and then rotate it. After that, you have to tie the hairs from the between and then rotate it and fix it like this and put the clutch on over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail and then rotate the hairs. After rotating it, we have to fix the hairs between like this and then fold it upward and putting the hair clutch like this. Fix the hairs and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Now fix this bun plate, roll the hairs upward and press it from the sides like this. Now spread the hairs and put this hair bun pin on the side and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Fix this bun stick on the hairs. Now roll the hairs around it like this. Tie it using a rubber band and then fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it properly on the side and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. After that, divide the hairs like this and then rotate the hairs over it like this and tie it. Now fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we have to make more beautiful hairstyles. For that, we'll be making a bun. First, fix this bun form on the hairs. Now spread the hairs around it like this and put the rubber band. Now take the hairs from the sides and roll it around the hairs like this and put the rubber band. Put the clutch over it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be making some more beautiful hairstyles. For that, you have to make a ponytail. Roll the hairs like this and fold it upward and fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will roll the hairs using the fingers. Fold it upward like this as shown in the video. Fix it properly and put the hair clutch or the hairpins like this on the side and your hair bun is ready. Next, we will be making a ponytail. So roll the hairs after dividing it like this and then fold it upward and make a bun out of it. After making a bun, fix the bun clutch over it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.